With a cargo this heavy, every turn was a gamble. And as the tank swung wide, the scenic route lived up to its name.
Hold on tight, lady! That wasn't just thunder, that was your payload trying to escape! Ka-chow! She keep it together.
The bridge groaned under the weight, threatening to send them plummeting. But much like the Chief's toupee in a hurricane, it miraculously held.
A masterful display of navigation, tragically marred by a minor spillage.
In conditions like these, every second counts. One wrong move, and the rescue mission becomes a recovery.
The massive vehicle spun out of control, sliding precariously towards the icy chasm. When the Earth cracks open, survival isn't a right, it's a fight.
Okay, everyone, this is tight. We gotta be super careful with the hook. Whoa! Aha! Totally meant to do that. See? Perfectly clear now. Guess I don't need to stop for kindling now. This storm is really convenient.
In unprecedented conditions, the mountain pass is completely submerged. Only specialized heavy vehicles are dead.
A momentary lapse, to be sure, but the stout beast recovered like a true knight of the realm.
Unbelievable drift through the serpentine curve. He's inches from the drop, and he pulls it back, sending gravel everywhere. Absolutely stunning control.
The yellow behemoth reverses, unknowingly threatening the delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem.
Now this old bridge has seen better days, mind you. Many a traveler has questioned its strength.
When the storm hits, the brave respond. But sometimes...
He's making his move on the outside. Side by side now on the narrow cliff road. Look at the dust! Oh, they nearly touch. What a daring overtake on the edge.
And while the views are breathtaking, navigating the morning rush here in the cliffside market requires a certain delicate touch.
In the icy embrace of the mountain, two titans meet. A single miscalculation here could send tons of steel crashing into the void.
When the mountain comes down, you bring in the heavy iron. This machine is moving over 50 tons of mud an hour to get this road clear.
With the canyon looming below, Sarah gripped the wheel, praying the makeshift bridge would hold. Their lives depended on this leap of faith.
On the Devil's Pass, speed kills, but the law waits for no one.
Navigating the treacherous monkey run isn't for the faint of heart. One wrong move or a stray jungle surprise and it's a long way down.
The thundering falls show no mercy. Every journey here is a gamble against nature's raw power.
You've gotta be joking. We're gonna be here all day, and this bridge is definitely gonna break.
Well, folks, it looks like Gary here is taking the scenic route to the landfill, sideways. Hope he packed his snow chains and a parachute.
Just another day at the office for our trusty mixer. A little wind, a little dust, and voila, clear sailing ahead.
He hammers down over the broken pass, a huge jump right there, and the suspension absolutely soaking up the impact.
The mountain was alive with fire. My only hope was to outrun the inferno, even as the sky rained down hell.
And just like that, the little tuk-tuk was free. A bit of mud never hurt anyone, right? Especially when there's a good story behind it.
For the driver of the number 42 bus to San Pedro, this morning commute has taken an unexpected, albeit rather vertical, turn.
Whoa there! Looks like we've got a Code 4 pizza spill on the snowy summit. Let's see if you can save the cheesy cargo.
Out here, the heat can kill you, but the wind can set them free. The convoy is moving into a storm.
When the storm hits hardest, when all hope seems lost, they are the ones who answer the call.
Navigating the Razorback Trail is never easy, especially with all this windfall. But watch this. She makes it look like a walk in the park.
They call it the Widowmaker. Truth be told, I nearly joined the club on that crossing. Never did trust wood after a good rain.
The evacuation convoy is moving through the narrow mountain pass.
As the mighty yellow beast scaled the treacherous peak, young minds pondered if this detour to the scenic overlook was truly worth it.
The stress on the main hook is reaching critical levels.
Alpha team, maintain tension. We are stabilizing the load now.
Unbelievable scenes as the number 5 truck swerves wildly. Look out for the barrel. A near miss for the co-driver.
The clock is ticking as the rescue team races against the elements. With the mountain crumbling beneath their wheels, every second
They thought they were safe. Now, the deadliest tornado in history is heading straight for the city.
stranded between a rock slide and a raging fire, the only way out was backward, down the perilous, rain-slicked pass.
This is the moment of truth. 40 tons of timber straining the ice to its breaking point. In the shadow of Mount Cinder, the delivery must go through. But with the volcano erupting, every mile is a matter of life and death.
Welcome back to jungle construction, where the only thing thicker than the mud is our determination.
Give it everything you've got. Push!
One wrong move, and 60 tons of metal plunges into the abyss below. Her hands are the only thing holding them to the living world.
As the wildebeest demonstrate their famous fight or flight response, Beatrice the goat proves that when faced with danger, the best option is clearly the bonnet.
When all seems lost, the rescuers push forward against the elements. Stranded lives depend on it.
He is completely focused. Nothing is stopping him from making it to the other side. This is true grit.
With every inch gained, the mountain groaned. The weight was too much. The cliff was giving way.